President Bongbong Marcos vowed to investigate and file cases against those who milked flood control projects and received hush money for these initiatives. But good governance advocate Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong alleged that contractors and bidding agencies collude with lawmakers themselves, receiving 35 to 40% in kickbacks. Here is a report.
Hiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino. Mahiya naman kayo sa mga kabahayan nating naanod o nalubog sa mga pagbaha. Mahiya naman kayo lalo sa mga anak natin na magmamana sa mga utang na ginawa ninyo nang binulsan nyo lang ang pera.
President Bongbong Marcos got a standing ovation for this portion of his fourth State of the Nation address on July 28. He vowed to investigate and file cases against those who milked flood control projects and got a share of hush money for these initiatives. Baguio City Mayor and good governance advocate Benjamin Magalong is stunned. He can't wrap his head around the alleged audacity of some of those who applauded during Marcos's speech.
In fairness to him, maganda yung intention. Pero hindi ba ako kayo nagtaka bakit pumalakpak sila? Kasi alam nilang mahirapan silang matukoy eh. Kasi wala silang pinirmahan. It's structural. It's an highly organized crime.
Magalong insisted that it's lawmakers themselves who earn kickbacks from government projects ranging from 35 to 40%. He said the corruption begins with the people inside DPWH chosen by congressmen themselves.
It starts with the selection of the district engineer or yung regional engineer ng DPWH and who are actually selecting them. It's not the secretary of DPWH. Based dun sa nireport sa akin ng isang contractor at mga suppliers at sa mga resources na rin natin, these are organic personnel. Usually, ang kinukuha ng mga politiko, mga lawmakers, is around 35 to 40. Yan. Standard yan. Lalo-lalo na kung kanila yung pork barrel.
But according to House spokesperson Attorney Princess Abante, all congressmen do is advocate or push programs for their constituents. House Speaker Martin Romualdez, for his part, said he will fully cooperate in possible investigations which will involve members of the House.
And we take to heart his call, his frustration even, about the lingering shadow of corruption in our institutions. As Speaker, I share his concern and I accept his challenge, not with defensiveness but with determination. This is why the House of Representatives will launch a comprehensive congressional review of all infrastructure projects and fund implementation. We will investigate ghost projects, bloated contracts, chronic underspending, and abuse of discretion in fund realignment and procurement. Ang kaban ng bayan ay hindi dapat ninanakaw, hindi dapat sinasayang. Ito ay para sa mamamayan. Bawat sentimo, bawat proyekto, bawat serbisyo. We are not here to cover up. We are here to clean up.